So I've undone the 2 bolts there, which are here, the long ones. Okay, I've got the clip off there, but I need to undo these 2 bolts here and this, just to keep it out of the way, because there's a bolt at the other side as well. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I moved that now, and there are the 3 screws for that, which obviously go on there. Now we've got to remove this nut here to get the alternator off, so that'll be my next job. If I can figure out how to get this out of the way, it'd be easier. I'll give that a go now. Okay, I'll try and get this off. I'll probably have to go underneath, but I think I need an 8mm. So they're the bolts for that plate there. Left the 2 bolts there, and all the others are keyed up at the back of the car. Obviously got to get this off, that, and then the rest of this to get to the chain. Have to do that on Thursday, I think. So I got a little bit further today.